Hello and salam namaste. हार्ले डेविडसन हार्ली डेविडसन जो भी है मोटरसाइकिल ज़बरदस्त है. Our today's video is about Harley Davidson motorbikes. In this video we'll discuss Harley Davidson कहाँ बना, कैसे बना और किसने बनाया. So let's roll. Harley Davidson was founded in Milwaukee in 1903 by childhood friends William Harley and Arthur Davidson, with the help of Arthur's brother Walter and William, after developing a prototype motorcycle in a backyard shed. Harley Davidson released its first bike in 1903. ये जनाब दो बचपन के दोस्त थे. एक का नाम था हार्ली और दूसरे का नाम था आर्थर. और आर्थर के दो बड़े भाई थे, वॉल्टर और विलियम, जिन्होंने मदद की इन दो दोस्तों की कि ये मोटरसाइकिल तैयार कर लें. Harley Davidson introduced its first 49 cubic inch atmospheric V-twin engine in 1909. 1911 में कंपनी ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया V-twin मॉडल विद अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ 49.48 cubic inches, means 811 cc, and mechanically operated intake valves as opposed to the automatic intake valves used on earlier V-twins that opened by engine vacuum. 1913 के बाद मेजॉरिटी बाइक्स जो हार्ली डेविडसन ने प्रोड्यूस किए वो V-twin मॉडल्स थे. Yes, you can say the reason of Harley Davidson popularity is the V-twin engine in cruisers and touring bikes. 1906 में हार्ले और डेविडसन भाइयों ने अपनी पहली फैक्ट्री चेस्टनट स्ट्रीट पर बनाई. एट द करंट लोकेशन ऑफ हार्ले डेविडसन्स कॉर्पोरेट हेडक्वार्टर, द फर्स्ट जूनियर एवेन्यू प्लांट वाज अ 40 feet by 60 feet single story wooden structure. The company produced about 50 motorcycles that year. हार्ली डेविडसन ने बहुत रैपिडली ग्रो किया और 1920 तक दुनिया का लार्जेस्ट मोटरसाइकिल मैन्युफैक्चरर बन गया. In 1920, the Harley Davidson became the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer in the world. उन्होंने अपनी मोटरसाइकिल्स पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में भी बेचनी शुरू कर दी. ये बाजार तब से इनके लिए अहम रहा है. In the era of depression, means in World War I and World War II, Harley Davidson sold their bikes to US Army, और ये उनके लिए बहुत बड़ी मार्केट थी. Today, Harley Davidson is around 122 years old company. There is no doubt about it, the Harley Davidson is the most luxurious and reliable machines in motorcycle industries in the world. Harley Davidson did not make the same number of units every year. For example, they shipped 193,500 motorcycles in 2022 and 105,900 in North America alone in 2023. Harley Davidson's main competitors are the Indian motorcycle from USA, Triumph, Royal Enfield. Harley Davidson models are categorized into Grand American Tour, Cruiser, Adventure Touring, Sport, and Electric Vehicle lines, with specific models including the Street Glide, Pan America 1250, Sportster S, and Nightster, as well as variation like trikes. Key models for 2025 include the Road King Special, Breakout, Fat Boy, and Lowrider S. Popular Harley-Davidson models include the Street Glide, Road Glide in the Grand American Touring range, the Fat Boy and Breakout in the Cruiser category, and the Sportster S and Nightster in the Sports lineup. The Pan America 1250 Special is a popular adventure touring option, and models like the Lowrider S and the CVO. custom vehicle operations. Line are also well regarded. Harley-Davidson engine's lifespan varies greatly by model and maintenance, but can range from 60,000 to 250,000 miles with proper care. The most popular Harley-Davidson bikes are V-Rod, my favorite, Fat Bob, Fat Boy. Harley-Davidson have a big museum at their headquarters. I know only one thing. I love Harleys, people love Harleys.